There is a quiet panic rippling through the tech industry right now, and it is happening inside the walls of the biggest laptop manufacturers on the planet. For years, the formula for buying a computer was incredibly simple, predictable, and frankly, boring. If you wanted raw, unadulterated power, you bought a massive, heavy machine that killed your battery in 2 hours and sounded like a jet engine taking off from your desk. If you wanted portability and a battery that lasted all day, you had to sacrifice performance, accepting lag, stuttering, and an inability to handle heavy creative work. You were forced to choose. You were trapped in a loop of compromise. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But behind closed doors, a radical shift has been taking place. Apple looked at the landscape of modern computing and realized that the traditional lines between entry-level and elite are completely obsolete. The result of that realization is a machine that wasn't supposed to exist yet. The Apple MacBook Neo 2. This is not just an incremental update. This is not a slightly faster processor slapped into a familiar aluminum chassis. This is a deliberate, highly calculated disruption of the entire personal computer market. In this video, we are going to tear down the illusion of what you think a laptop can do, explore the terrifyingly powerful architecture driving this machine, and explain why your current setup is suddenly obsolete. If you think your current laptop is doing just fine, you are about to realize exactly how much time, energy, and productivity you have been bleeding every single day. Let's start by looking at the psychological warfare Apple is playing with the concept of value. When you look at the premium laptop market, you are conditioned to look at numbers. You look at gigahertz, core counts, and gigabytes of RAM. But the tech giants have been lying to you for a decade. They use these massive numbers to mask a fundamental flaw in their design: efficiency. A computer can have 100 cores, but if it cannot manage the heat those cores generate, it will throttle. It will slow down to protect itself from melting. It will drain your battery while doing absolutely nothing of substance. The MacBook Neo 2 completely rewrites the laws of physics with its proprietary architecture. Inside this unbelievably thin frame lies a unified silicon structure that completely eliminates the concept of data travel lag. In a traditional laptop, your processor has to talk to your memory has to talk to your graphics card, and your graphics card has to talk to your storage. Every single one of those conversations happens across a physical distance on a motherboard. It creates tiny, microsecond delays. You experience these delays as a spinning beach ball, a stuttering web page, or a rendering bar that feels like it's frozen in time. The Neo 2 obliterates this physical barrier. By placing the CPU, the GPU, and the unified memory onto a single, microscopic piece of silicon, data doesn't travel between components anymore. It coexists. The bandwidth is so immense that the machine operates at a speed that feels less like computing and more like instantaneous intuition. When you click an application, it doesn't bounce in your dock, it is simply open. When you scroll through a massive spreadsheet with hundreds of thousands of data points, it moves with the fluid smoothness of real life. It is an experience designed to match the speed of human thought, and once your brain adapts to a machine with zero latency, using any other computer feels like wading through thick mud. But raw speed is meaningless without an environment that allows you to exploit it. Let's talk about the physical interface that connects your mind to the machine,